Malaysian contingent, also the chief of the Malaysian Cricket Association. And back to the stadium, a warm welcome to DD Urdu and DD Bharati particularly, as they join our coverage on DD Sports and DD National. It's been a terrific effort by Doordarshan, bringing all the sports on different channels. And, oh, the roar of the crowd. I'm going to let you feel it and experience it yourself.
Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the Jawaharlal Nehru Stadium. On the 3rd of October, you witnessed a spectacular opening ceremony organized by the organizing committee of the Commonwealth Games Delhi.
Yes, we did. We witnessed a terrific opening ceremony.
It was an amalgamation
waiting for the
of
closing
many
ceremony.
Colours,
We
cultures,
warned you it's going to be more
and
informal
traditions of
and a
India.
great deal more fun.
And we are back here today.
Athletes would have let their hair down, no more competition, just enjoyment, and take a whole lot of wonderful memories back home with them to the countries they've come from, every corner of the world.
And courage.
बिल्कुल मंच तैयार है इस वक्त जवाहरलाल नेहरू स्टेडियम में और कुछ ही क्षणों में समापन समारोह का आगाज होने वाला है.
The grand finale, the closing ceremony of the Commonwealth Games Delhi 2010.
द्वितीय सेशन 3 अक्टूबर को आयोजित शानदार रंगारंग उद्घाटन समारोह के बाद आप सभी का एक बार फिर से जवाहरलाल नेहरू स्टेडियम में स्वागत है. पिछले 11 दिन साक्षी रहे हैं खेलों में श्रेष्ठतम प्रदर्शन के. इस दौरान 2 विश्व कीर्तिमान और 100 राष्ट्रमंडल खेल कीर्तिमान ध्वस्त हुए और अब समय है ग्रैंड फिनाले का, राष्ट्रमंडल खेल दिल्ली 2010 के समापन समारोह का.
Ladies and gentlemen,
the official start now to the closing ceremony, and just a reminder that we have two world records and 100 Commonwealth Games records.
Commonwealth Games Delhi 2010 in welcoming the Honourable Michael Fennell, President.
Of course, the little bit of formality that is associated with the closing ceremony to now begin. Shri Kalmadi welcomes the CGF chief, Mike Fennell.
सुरेश कलमाडी अध्यक्ष आयोजन समिति के, उन्होंने स्वागत किया माइकल फेनल का, जो अध्यक्ष हैं राष्ट्रमंडल संघ के.
He's become a very familiar face. He's been in India several times over the last few months, certainly the last few years as well. And he was re-elected a short while back as the chief of the Commonwealth Games Federation. He first became so in 1994 in Canada. So he's had a long stint at the top of the Commonwealth Games Federation.
और यूपीए अध्यक्ष और कांग्रेस अध्यक्ष श्रीमती सोनिया गांधी वीवीआईपी बॉक्स में पधार रही हैं. श्रीमती सोनिया गांधी ने राष्ट्रमंडल खेलों में काफी रुचि दिखाई और कई प्रतिस्पर्धाओं में उन्होंने स्टेडियम में जाकर उसका आनंद उठाया.
Well, Mrs. Gandhi, of course, must also be remembering the 1982 days when her husband was so deeply involved with the Asia then and now. Prince Edward, the Earl of Wessex, the third son, fourth child of Queen Elizabeth II and Prince Philip, the Duke of Edinburgh. Of course, very closely involved with the Commonwealth Games movement. Prince Edward.
His Royal Highness Prince Edward, Earl of Wessex, महारानी एलिजाबेथ के तीसरे पुत्र और चौथी संतान हैं. श्रीलंका के राष्ट्रपति महामहिम महिंदा राजपक्ष वीवीआईपी बॉक्स में पधार रहे हैं. उनका स्वागत किया गया अपना स्थान ग्रहण करते हुए.
Please welcome the Honourable Prime Minister of India,
Sri Lanka getting 3 medals in the games. I'm sure their president would be happy. And the biggest roar reserved now for the Honorable Prime Minister. He walks in now. There we go, Dr. Manmohan Singh. What a popular figure. And hasn't he led the country well? We're all proud of you, Doctor. And wonderful to see you here, encouraging the world of sport and perhaps being a part of history as India now move on towards being a superpower in the world of sport.
President of India, Shri N. Hamid Ansari.
और प्रधानमंत्री के आगमन के बाद अब आगमन हो रहा है माननीय उपराष्ट्रपति श्री हामिद अंसारी का.
Well, I think our front row is now fully occupied. Dr. and Mrs. Singh, here's the Honorable Vice President, elected in 2007, and now time for a very emotional moment, the National Anthem of India.
भारतीय राष्ट्रगान के बाद तालियों की गड़गड़ाहट से गूंज रहा है जवाहरलाल नेहरू स्टेडियम और इसी के साथ काउंटडाउन शुरू. काउंटडाउन एक नए अध्याय की, एक नए इतिहास की. देवनागरी लिपि में काउंटडाउन और जोसलिन इसके साथ शुरू होता है भारत का एक नया अध्याय.
Yes, and we begin the closing ceremony of the 19 Commonwealth Games here at the third largest stadium in India, the
We
Jawaharlal
present a
Nehru
3,000-year-old
Stadium.
legacy.
Right there in
a
the center
showcase
is that
of the martial
fantastic,
arts tradition
awesome
of India.
aerostat.
Agni, the
And
glory
we
of
now
sport.
have the glory of sports,
Kalari Pai-
Agni,
Talwar
which will be a tribute to India's sporting spirit.
Silambam,
This segment
Gatka,
will
and
feature the
Dhanpatra.
fiery and passionate traditions. And we're going to begin with the Kalari Payattu. And Kalari Payattu is possibly one of the oldest fighting systems in existence, practiced mostly in Kerala and Tamil Nadu and Karnataka. It includes strikes, kicks, grappling, weaponry and healing methods.
वक्षति अग्निना